It is loading. Our pipeline is PL copy data from block to gen 2. What day demo? Click on our pipeline. We can see succeeded. Copy data. The activity type is copy data. Start time and duration. Integration runtime type. We can see here if we have any user properties in our copy activity. We can see here user properties. Our pipeline run ID. You can see here. Now we will go and see output. That is in data lake gen 2. Go to ADF portal. Go to all resources. Go to our data lake gen 2 storage. Here we can see output folder which is created dynamically. Our pipeline. Go to data lake storage. See, you can see output container. Click on that container. See, file name.csv. We have given a name and it created dynamically. If you click on this file, see, this is the output from our pipeline. So far, we have created a linked service and dataset as well. Sync linked service and dataset. We performed a copy activity inside pipeline. We copy data from source to sync. Source is nothing but blob storage and sync is nothing but data lake gen 2. This is our output. That's all for this lesson.